Welcome to the fourth tutorial in our series about GIMP. In this tutorial, I'll talk about how layers work in GIMP, as well as how to move layers, resize them, and merge them. As you can see, I have my image ready in GIMP, so get ready to work with the layers in it. Over to the right, you can see the layers list. The icon at the top of the box here shows layers as stacks of paper to help you visualize what you're doing. If I want to quickly move one layer on top of another, you can just drag the layers in order to reorder them. Layers, like Photoshop, are the best way to organize your data and create complex and interesting images from past parts of your project and make it visually stand out. To create a new layer, all we have to do is click on the New Page icon at the bottom of the Layers window on the right. Doing so will bring up a dialog box that will ask us what to call the layer, what size of the layer we want, which will default to the size of the image, and what to fill the layer with. To resize any layer, just right-click on the layer, then click on Scale Layer. Doing so will open another dialog box that will allow you to change the size of the layer's width and height. You can also use the Scale tool from the previous tutorial. Merging layers is also pretty easy as well. Just order the layers you want to merge, with the topmost layer being the one you want to merge with the layer below. Right-click the layer, and then click Merge Down. It will add the layer you right-clicked onto the layer beneath it, becoming one layer. After that, you should now know how to merge, move, and resize layers as you see fit. Easy!